I'm Terriell and welcome to day 6 of your 30-day Pilates journey. Today is all about energizing your body with Pilates. So kind of like yesterday where we woke everything up, today we're just going to rev up that energy. And when you are done with your practice today, you're going to be ready to jump off your mat and just go about your day and get it. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna have you turn to the front edge of your mat, lie yourself down all the way onto your back, and then hug your knees into your chest. And now from here, we'll take a big breath in, already tapping into the breath. And then exhale as you curl your head, neck, and shoulders up. And now we want to bring energy to the shape by pulling the low belly down and then pulling the knees in, and think of pulling your elbows down to the floor. And as you actively pull those elbows down to the floor, you'll feel your armpits squeeze a little bit. You feel some tension underneath your shoulder blades. And that action will help you actively pull your shoulders away from your ears in this curled up position and keep tension out of your neck. Now go ahead and keep that effort here in the belly and in the elbows, and then just lower your head down. So the abs are in, the elbows are down, keeping that effort, keeping that tension. Now all you need to do is curl up head, neck, and shoulders, keeping the abs in and the elbows down. And then go ahead and send your arms long by your sides, keeping that effort underneath your arms as if you're still pulling those elbows down to the floor. And from here, we'll send the legs straight up to the ceiling or in tabletop, if that's what you like to do your 100 position in. And then we'll start to pump the arms vigorously up and down, breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air and out with the air. 2 more breaths like this. And exhale. 1 more breath. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold the arms and we'll take the legs lower. And exhale, lift. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lower. And exhale up. 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 3, 4, 5. 2 more times. And exhale. 3, 4, 5. 1 more time here. And exhale. 3, 4, 5. Now go ahead and hug your knees in and lower your head, neck, and shoulders down. From there, we'll send the legs long out onto the mat and breathe in to lift the arms up. Exhale to lift the arms back. Inhale to lift the head, the neck, and the shoulders. And exhale to roll yourself up the rest of the way. Inhale to round forward. Exhale to roll yourself all the way back. We'll keep that going. Arms reach back. And then roll up through your spine. Good. Stretch it forward. And then roll it all the way down. If it's hard for you to roll up, you can always bend your knees or place a folded towel underneath your back. And then stretch forward. And roll it all the way down. We have 3 more. Inhale, arms back. And exhale, arms up as you roll up. Reach it forward. And send it down. 2 more. Inhale back. And exhale, roll up. Inhale, stretch back. And exhale, roll down. Last time here. Inhale, roll up. All the way, exhale. I messed up my breath count. That's okay. Reach it forward. And then last time to roll it all the way down with control. Good. Now, if you traveled like me, I don't know how I got all the way back there, go ahead and center yourself back down onto your mat. Next, we're going to hug that right knee into the chest and then just stretch the left leg long. From here, we'll take the hands behind the thigh. Let's extend and bend the leg. 3 and in 2 and in 1. Hold it. Now, press your palms down by your sides. And all I want you to do here is externally rotate that leg and then just lift it up higher. 3. Lift it up higher. 2. Lift it up higher. 1. And then send that leg all the way out and down, super long and strong to the floor. Now my right leg is longer than my left. And now we'll pull the left knee into the chest. Give it a deep hug. Pull your waist in. Place your hands behind the back of your thigh. And then go ahead and extend that leg out and pull it in. 3. Don't forget about those elbows pulling down to the floor, keeping that tension in your upper back to broaden your chest. Now stretch that leg up to the sky, hold it, press your palms down by your sides. Now externally rotate your thigh a little bit so that your heel faces in towards your midline. Pull your abs and lift that leg higher, 3. Lift that leg higher, 2. Lift it higher, 1. And then send it out and down as long and as strong as you can. Now, reach your arms up and back. Now, in one big motion, I want you to pull into a rolling like a ball position all the way up to your tailbone. You're there. And now we rock and roll. Rock it back and take it up. And rock it back and take it up. Let's go 5 more, all the way back, all the way up. Whoop, 4 more times. Don't touch that mat with your toes. 3 more. And up. 2 more times. And up. 1 more here. Rock back. All the way up. And last time. All the way up. Balance. Good. Now we'll take the feet, step them on the mat. Roll down to the tips of your shoulder blades. Right knee into the chest. Left leg out long. Now let's do a double pull with this leg. In and in. Switch legs. In and in. Switch. In, switch. Now let's add some breath. Inhale. Exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale, switch. 2 more each leg, and a 2. Good, and a 1, and a 1. Now 2 knees pull in, stay lifted. Reach your arms back, send your legs out. Circle your arms around, hug in. Inhale to reach, and exhale to hug. 1 more time. Inhale to reach, and exhale to hug. Now inhale to reach, and on your exhale, up into your rolling like a ball. You're there. Press your feet down onto the mat. And then from here, we'll lift tall, reach your arms out, eyebrow height. Now working on that teaser here from the bottom, or from the top rather, we'll round back, past your tailbone, scoop into your powerhouse. Now keep your chest lifted, your gaze ahead, look through your thumbs. Pick both knees up. If you can, hold there. Find a little tabletop with your shins parallel to the floor. Now, if you want more, you can stretch your legs out to 45 degrees, holding that balance. Hold it 3. Hold it 2. Hold it 1. If your knees aren't bent, bend the knees, and then place your feet down onto the mat. Good. Now, from here, let's flip to the stomach. I want you to press your palms down by your sides. And then squeeze your legs tight together in the center. From here, we'll press into the hands and lift off. Just about halfway so that your elbows are tucked down tight by your sides. Squeeze them in and then lower yourself down. This is a preparation for our swan dive, which we're gonna start to build throughout the next few days. Press down into the hands and squeeze the elbows tight, pull the belly in, and then lower down with control. Now we're going to add on to this. I want you to press down into the hands and then just dive out with the arms and come back to this position, catching yourself. You'll reach, catch, rocking back and forth so like a rocking chair. Reach out and catch 2 more times. Reach out and catch 1 more. Reach out and catch, and then lower yourself down. And from there, sit back onto your heels to take a counter stretch through your spine, rounding the back. And lastly, we're going to come to an all-fours position, knees directly below hips, wrists directly below shoulders. Now just round your back here, drawing your chin down, pulling your tail under. And then we're going to work through a flat back to arch the spine, lifting the chest and the tail. We'll do that a few more times. Round the spine and arch the spine. 1 more. Round the spine and arch the spine. Now we'll round the spine, tuck your toes under so that your toe creases touch the mat. Pull your belly up into your spine so much that your knees just hover off an inch and hold. Now I want you to try to keep that round back position. We won't stay here for long. Keep holding, pressing down into the floor, separating your shoulder blades, lifting your ribs up to the ceiling, pulling the tail under. You have 5, don't give up yet. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then gently lower your knees down. And you made it through day 6 today. We are all energized with Pilates. All right, I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 7, almost a full week through. Bye for now.